listen to the conversation, and then at the end of the video, you can match the expressions with their meaning. Dr. Miller, I wonder if I could pick your brain.
Sure, Charlotte. What's on your mind?
Well, I always thought I would go to engineering school, but now I'm not so sure anymore.
Well, it's not so unusual for a person your age to change her mind. I must have changed mine 10 times before I settled on medicine. Have you decided on something else?
Well, actually, I've developed an interest in the health field. And since you're a doctor...
Are you thinking of medicine?
Not specifically. Something related that doesn't take that long to study. I know there are some good options, but I'm having trouble making up my mind.
Well, have you given any thought to becoming a physical therapist? It's a great field. You help people and there's always a job available.
Physical therapy? I should have thought of that. I'll keep that in mind. Make up one's mind means decide to do something after considering conflicting choices. Keep something in mind means remember something. Be on one's mind means think of something. Settle on means make a final decision that won't change. Change one's mind means decide to do something else. Pick someone's brain means ask someone about something.